Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling wealthy. Yeah, wealthy is better. I hope you are healthy, I'm just joking. Wealthy and healthy, they both are possible, don't be like that. Yes, they are possible. So this is a reverb plugin from Variety of Sound that I really like. I like their plugins. I like how they do simulations and make analog plugins. So I'm going to use this reverb on direct channel or insert. Let's get to it.
Take an apple, please, from the front row. Oh, soon enough's never good enough. Inch by inch, come on, connect the dots. Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze.
It just sounds amazing. It's analog, or let's say sounding like convolution reverbs. It's really natural and it has great tools like quality. Maybe in a special place you are not really worried about quality and you use lower one. It has less clarity. There is a gate button. It's fantastic. It's really good. And color, bright or dark. If I deactivate gate, the reverb will continue, but with gate it does stop in a specific place. It's not related to decay. Decay is when you are almost not hearing the reverb. Minus 60 dB, the time it takes for reverb to reach minus 60 dB. But the gate is just gate and it works much faster. You could use dense reverbs with gate. It will stop instantly and keep your reverb dense and clean. Your vocal dense and clean.
Take an apple, please, from...
See? It just stops. So let's go with this setting.
Take an apple, please, from the front row. Oh. Take an apple, please, from the front row. Oh, soon enough's never good enough. Inch by...
So this drive knob boosts the reverb and makes it stronger. It's lovely, but you may not like its quality because it strengthens reverb and you might feel that it's so loud.
Take an apple, please, from the front row. Oh, soon enough's never good enough. Inch by inch, come on, take an apple, please, from the front row.
So I disabled gate and it continues to play. It continues to play and it's great. With gate, it was like not appropriated for a lead vocal or lead instrument. It wasn't really good because I wanted vocal to have more depth in the song and more space. Gate stopped or prevented that.
Take an apple, please, from the front row. Oh, soon enough's never good enough. Inch by inch, come on, connect the dots. Take an apple, please. Take an apple, please, from the front row.
Isn't it amazing? It's free. Guys, I need to mention it again. It's free and it's sounding amazing. I like this EpicPlate 2 from Variety of Sound. It's amazing. Thank you for these great plugins. As I said in the previous video, it is a free plugin with no cheap sound. No, sir. It's a premium sound that you are getting from a free plugin. I like that. So now our vocal has more space, more definition in the song, and let's check it in chorus.
Come on, connect the dots. Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart.
It's a little bit wider in the crowd area, and it's not dry. Previous one was so dry, so not feeling good in the mix. But this one, this processed one, is amazing. It is sounding great. If you are listening to this song, to this tutorial with studio quality equipment, you will hear what I'm talking about. It is a little bit wider, it's in phase, and it has more professional vibe to it. This EpicPlate is great, and it's not just plate. It could be used for infinity cases. It's not just a plate. You could manipulate some of these tools and it would sound like hall or chamber. So you could be creative and get different sounds from this plugin. So my friends, thanks for watching. This video has reached its end. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.